I'm ready, Freddie.
Hello everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always, Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars. Jake, take it away. Oh my lord. Very nice.
Very nice.
Hey everybody, I'm Christopher, the guy behind the camera as always is Jake the Snake, and this is Fast Lane Classic Cars in the humid weather of St. Charles, Missouri. Jake, why don't you tell people some stuff?
Let me say some stuff. We're 15 minutes outside St. Louis to the west in St. Charles, Missouri. I'm going to put the phone number above Stabile's head. Look, there it is. Remember, write it down. Call us about this 1971 Duster or the other 150 or so cars we have at any given time. And also, like and subscribe because it helps us help you, help us help you. And when you subscribe, hit the bell because then you get notified when we make cool stuff like this. Also, if you want full photo sets of all of these cars, interior, exterior, undercarriage, go to our website, www.fastlanecars.com. And you can see it all there, but for now, Chris, tell them about this beautiful vehicle.
1971 Plymouth Valiant Duster. Ooh, it's a numbers matching car. I love it. It has a 340 with a 4-barrel. That's the way it came. That's the way it was restored. This car always was an X9, which is formal black. They definitely repainted it. God, it looks great too. We've got the little shadow stripe here. It's a black stripe. You can barely see it. Ooh, there's the keys. It's a 3-speed. That's the original transmission that came with the car. It's obviously been rebuilt. It did come with the spoiler. This is a pretty true to the trim tag car. Kind of came highly optioned actually. It really did for the day.
Another cool option.
3-speed.
Chrome door mirrors.
How about that?
You ever see that?
Both sides.
And both sides. 2 mirrors
Holy
and they're all
cow.
chrome. You also have chrome on the gas cap.
Love that.
Chrome trim and door handles and stuff. Looks like rally style wheels. We got polyglass tires on there, so very period. And the black paint is just epic, and I like the matte black on the wing and on the stripe. You got 340 right there.
It's a wing.
It's a whang.
Whang.
All right, you ready to drive this
Let's
thing and
drive
start it up?
man. Let's definitely drive it. This car, dude.
They did do a super job with this car.
Really did.
Oh, ooh, bucket seats. Forgot about that.
Yeah, it's got a lot of cool options. Did you see the RPM gate? Well, you can show it when we're driving.
Well, let me
it's
see
wicked,
here.
dude.
Does it work? Rev it up a little bit.
Well, let's do it. Let's rev it up. Everything's working good.
We also have no AC, but we have a fan here.
No, we don't.
I'm gonna turn the fan on though.
It
does work. We have a radio right there in the middle as well. 3 speeds.
How about
right
that?
Here.
How about that?
3
You don't
speeds.
see too many 3-speeds on the floor.
No, you don't. Glove box, very nice.
Oh, nice. I love glove boxes.
And my camera's all fogged up because it's so humid outside.
It is one humid day.
It is a little humid. Oh look, we even have the engine starting procedure and steering column lock instructions.
Some people do really good jobs of renovations, and this guy did.
It's like out of the factory in this thing.
It really is nice. I love the black too. It really
And
looks good.
the back windows don't roll down, but they have like the little lever so you could crack them open, which
so you
is
could
cool.
smoke back there.
Right.
That's what they did back then.
We
I
have
don't approve.
Big back seats for real people, and some speaker covers back there. I mean, everything's nice. The headliner's really good condition. You got the dome light here.
They really picked it out right though when they did it from in 71.
The visors aren't droopy. I mean, even like this little piece that holds the mirror on is like freshly painted and nice.
We often see those and they're pretty messed up sometimes, but
yeah,
this one's done really well. I'm starting to really love Dodge and Plymouths. I really am.
Yeah, I mean, they're good cars.
Look, indicator, I'm sorry, here, look. That indicator light works out there.
I gotta zoom. Yeah, the indicators are in a little chrome housing up on the fender.
And they work.
And they work.
I like when stuff works.
That's cool.
That shows you the attention to detail. This is not easy stuff.
This thing drives nice too.
God, it does.
I'm comfy right now.
It looks great too.
Oh, it looks fantastic. And you got that big black hood out there you can just take a look at the whole time we're driving.
Yes, you can. And it's so shiny. What a great paint job.
It is, oh my, I mean,
the formal black.
Black paint, when you do it right, is like the best look you can get on a car.
It really is. I know it's more cleaning, but you know what?
Yeah.
That's all you're gonna do is clean and drive this thing.
Yeah.
It's a perfect look. I love this little car. Wow.
We do have shoulder belts. They're the ones that clip up here on the roof.
Oh, how neat.
Never use those.
Never have once.
And we also have the lap belts down here, of course.
I know we have 323 rear gears, and I know we do have limited slip.
323 is not bad. Bit of a highway gearing, but it's not like a 293 or anything like that.
We're going about 45. We're about 3,500 RPM, so it's a 3-speed.
Yeah, that's right. We only have 3 speeds, so they need to be a little lower.
Yeah. It's cool, though. You know, this
cool.
is a nicely optioned car.
It's very nicely optioned. And we have an ashtray, and guess what else is chrome? The cigarette lighter. In case you want to take up smoking, but don't smoke, kids. Smoke tires, not cigarettes.
Right.
That's what we like to say.
Love to say it. It's true.
And I love the shape of the door mirrors. It's kind of like a teardrop. And yeah, the chrome housing on the mirror. Just awesome.
That? You don't see it often.
No.
That seems a little bigger than
And that actually was an option. That's not like an aftermarket thing.
Yeah.
I didn't know that. You could get chrome door mirrors on your Duster in 1971.
It's cool. It's a cool little car. Looks nice. I love the black.
Oh yeah. And it drives. I'm comfy.
Oh, it's very comfortable.
I'm not feeling any of the bumps we're going over.
Nope. They've done it right. Hats off to the guy who restored it. He did a great job.
And I like these kind of mid-sized Mopars. I like the big body stuff like the Chargers, but something about these is just kind of charming.
It is. It's a small car. It's not that huge. It's
Right.
comfortable as hell, and it's got the 340 in it. What else do
And
you
you
want?
only need a 340 to go fast in this thing.
Please, it's a fast car.
Although in that big old Charger, you need a 440 to get it to even move.
It's better to have the 440. There's no doubt.
But this is nice. I like this. And the dash, great condition.
Oh yeah. Again, great job.
Fantastic. No cracks or nothing. Lovely. Just lovely.
Lovely, lovely. It's a good car, and it looks great. It's not going to be here long.
I don't think so. I don't think it will either. And
Guess where we are?
we're almost at our stop sign, which means a bit of a bean test. What's the brake situation? They power?
No.
Oh, really? They feel good.
They do. I'll brake early, brake often.
Here
That's
we
what I
go.
always say.
Second gear action. Okay. Plenty of
Got some
torque.
kick.
Third gear. Oh, nice.
Nice. Moves nice. Shifts nice.
It shifts really well, yeah.
Wait until you get it out here on your drive-bys. They're going to be flybys. Damn it, I said it again. I haven't said that in a long time.
You haven't. You've been doing it right.
Ah, boy.
Very nice. All right. Ready for flybys?
Let's do it.
All right. Shifter is very nice.
It's very, very smooth.
It just slots
Extremely
right into
smooth.
place, very smooth. And the brakes, again, for not being power, I didn't have a problem with
They're
them.
new. They're definitely new because
they
do
stop
stop
really
real
well. The tach is amazing to have.
I love that
that.
tach.
I don't know why it reads all the way to 15,000 RPM because
Yeah.
I'm only going to about 5.5, but it's still cool. Actually, I was not looking at the tach.
I was. It was something, man. You get up there.
I was looking at the speedo. That's the tach.
Yes, that's the tach.
I was doing it by ear, I guess, then.
I've never seen a tach like that. It's a really nice dashboard. Everything's nice in this car.
It is very nice. All
Done
right.
well.
You ready to go back?
Oh, yeah, let's do it.
Let's do it.